Hello there, if you're watching this, you might have been given some bad news and your relationship is hanging by a thread. Picture this. A man and a woman are arguing. Voices are raised, tensions are high, and then one of them blurts out, "I want a divorce." Now, if you're the one who doesn't want to give up, this moment can feel like a punch to the chest. But let me tell you something, this doesn't have to be the end. I've seen couples come back from the brink of separation and find themselves stronger and more in love than ever before. You see, a lot of times it's not about the big problems, but the small, everyday things that pile up. Communication breaks down, and before you know it, you're strangers living under the same roof. But here's the good news. It's never too late to turn things around. I've got a link right below this video that can guide you to real people to help you step by step on how to save your marriage. Whether it's learning how to communicate better, reconnecting on a deeper level, or finding ways to reignite that spark, this resource has helped countless couples just like you. Click on the link, and you'll get access to practical tools and expert advice that can make a real difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now and give your relationship the fighting chance it deserves. Remember, every strong marriage has its ups and downs, but it's the effort, the will to fight for each other that makes all the difference. You've got this. Click the link and let's start saving your marriage today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best on your journey.